get from this then, Ryan? What's your outcome look like?
My ultimate goal, ever since I've noticed myself being fat, was getting a six-pack. That's my ultimate goal. Just to go to the beach and actually take my shirt off. I always wear those like tight swim shirts whenever I go out to like swim. Yo, what's up, guys? We just got done with our coaching call. I'm about to show you guys my calendar, what's been going on this week. It's been a pretty busy week, very profitable week. Let's see here if I can show you. All right, so as you guys can see here, we just got done with our coaching call. We had 2 other sales calls this morning, and we have another call at 4, and then at 9 p.m. Then the last 2 days, I think we've collected around, 18,000 cash collected, so like 1.8 comms right in my pocket. It's not too bad the last 2 days, but it could be a lot better. It's just like we had a few DQs, but other than that, it's been very good, especially one of my students, Ram. He's on another offer as well. He made like $960 in 1 day, which is very, very good. Yeah, other than that, what we have planned for the rest of today, I'm about to go shower. My hair is a little bit scraggy. And then we're gonna go meet my friends at the gym. I think it's chest day, push day. So we're gonna go fill up the upper deckies. And then after that, I have no idea what we're doing, but we're gonna have a great day. It's Friday. Fridays are always a good day, no matter if you're in the 9 to 5, a digital nomad. It's just a universal great day. So we're gonna enjoy it and have a good time. I'll see you guys at the gym. All right, guys, we're at Unreal Gym now. Here with Evo. Say what's up.
Sawadika.
Coach Evo right here. We got Alex.
Promo.
Sponsored.
Right.
But yeah, what are we hitting today, Coach Evo?
Back and biceps, motherfuckers. Can I swear? I can swear, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Motherfucker. You're just talking how we're going to do it back, and he's like. I mean,
he's shocking the body. Never let your body know.
We are talking from like 10 minutes how we're going to hit back, and he's coming and he's hitting triceps right now.
No, we say chest, no?
Now we're going to the back and biceps.
Nah, I don't want to do, bro.
Bro, who cares what you want to do?
I'm doing push.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Okay, let's throw a coin. Do you guys have any coins?
I don't even need a back.
Bro, look at what do you mean? Why I need a back?
Chest is always better, bro.
Yeah, but the biceps. Check the biceps.
What? So you're just getting...
No, because like tomorrow on my schedule there's push, and I'm going to mess everything up if I hit push day today.
Who cares, bro? It's all about the skill.
Okay, let's just go start it, bro.
Shit.
All right, so what's the final decision? It looks like Nathan's already hitting chest, so I mean.
Because there's like, I don't know, like what are we gonna do with...
Okay, let's do chest. Let's do chest. We're doing chest.
Do something
Right.
that
TT day, motherfuckers.
interesting machines. Because it's kind of like, if we do back, I don't see much interesting machines for back.
Yeah.
Who cares if it's an interesting machine, bro?
I just
listen
want
to what
try
you're
something.
saying.
I want to try something. Why would I do the same shit? I always... Shut up.
This is Mr. Nathan, guys.
What is up?
He's the Bangkok YN. All right, guys, enough yapping. We're gonna go ahead and get started.
Where is Alex?
Alex? Oh, other Alex? Yeah. I'm not sure. I think he might be sleeping.
How many sets do you do?
What's the type of schedule these guys go?
Batman schedule. And Mr. Ram go.
Yo.
Not that. Or more Dafinol. Are you not if you take more Dafinol?
I don't think so.
I don't think so.
It's like,
Wait, really?
it's such a bro. It's made in a fucking lab. It's so artificial. It's like as artificial as it gets.
The Earth.
It's like
from the earth.
It's like heroin. If you think about it, everything is from the earth.
Go more a little bit.
So technically, Alex is natty.
Technically, if you drink gasoline,
I'm more
that's too
natty.
nuts.
Let's go. So awesome.
Come on, bro. 5 more. 1.
Wait.
Two. Get up. See that?
The Bulgarian brothers.
Bro, I almost fucking died. Did you see that? No, it was actually like coding on the pin wasn't clicked. It was like right there.
I saved you.
Bro, how much is that? Am I weak or is it heavy?
I think the gravity in Bangkok is stronger than Bulgaria.
No way, bro. Gravity in Bulgaria is strongest. Oh,
It's because the earthquake. Because you know with the earthquake.
There was some.
That might be some truth here.
But like if you think about, do you know how like Superman comes from a planet where the gravity is like so much stronger, and that's why he's like so much stronger here. It's the same as like in Bulgaria.
Like, there's like some points of the world where the gravity is different, no? But I just heard some YouTube video that in this point it's like a specific thing, and then the people there like weight like 1 or 2% less because the gravity is not as strong, so you're more light.
You should stick to sitting closer to that.
Oh, trust me, bro, it's actually true.
So there's more fat people in America than anywhere in the world because the gravity is the strongest there. So like the food goes down faster, makes them more hungry.
The gravity which pulls like people from the street to McDonald's restaurants. That gravity is stronger.
Almost done with the workout. We're just hitting up some triceps now. Mr. Nathan's getting it warmed up.
Lightweight, baby.
Sir. Alright guys, my turn.
Man, we're gonna do the next master, man.
We're gonna just post on the story. That's it.
Yeah, that's it, but let's get the viewers into it.
Yeah.
Or at least like, I mean, we don't have to like book it, but at least like kind of like
Find
choose
one.
it.
What are you doing after this?
Or walking, sales cars, but I mean, you can come if you want. So, do you have sales cars?
Just at 4 and then 7. I can take it on my phone though. So I'll just come with you guys and we can look
Yeah.
in between.
Let's do that. You can just
Next
come to our
mastermind coming up, guys.
walk-in room.
Yeah. We're going to Alex Hermosi's closet.
yeah.
Can we work out without the shirt here?
Ram, how much did you make, what was it, yesterday or the day before?
The day before.
The day before. I was telling you guys this morning. Ram had his like first very profitable day, but how much did he make, bro?
About a little shy under 1K.
And how many hours did he work, bro?
Probably like total like a few hours.
Like 3 to 4 hours?
Yeah, 3 to 4 hours.
And back home, and like the beach sales, like how long would it take to get the same amount of money? Like stuck in the same location for a lot more time.
So to make that kind of money back home, it depends on the time of the year. And of course it depends, you know, if people are tipping goods, but that would probably take like a 12-hour shift in the sun, running around in the sand all day. So if I had to pick between working a few hours remote or running around the beach like a headless chicken for 12 hours, obviously I'm choosing remote. So
Good work, bro.
appreciate it.
Popped the cherry of like a very big day.
Yeah.
I was hyped. That's how it works.
I know that you can get like an invitation. Push it.
Thank you.
Welcome inside, guys. The ultimate working lounge. You guys smell the air? It smells like money. We're gonna go get some. Go take a minute. Don't open all the way. Alright. See
Да. Да, в смисъл в момента горе-долу колко пари, в смисъл изкарвате и колко ви давате за адове.
Pull-out game strong. Pull-out game is insanely strong. Alright guys, we have a call in 13 minutes, but we're thirsty, we're hungry. We're gonna go to the store real quick and get some snacks, so follow us.
Yeah, like they can just see out of it. They just need to see. One ticket is like out.
We're almost
200.
They could stay in the hostel.
Yeah.
guys, Ram, do you want anything?
Yeah, I'll take some.
All right, guys, we're getting some rice, protein, and orange juice just to reach the 200 baht limit. So, guys, that's what I used to live on when I was absolute brokey out here in Thailand with like $0 to my name. I could scrounge around for like five baht coins and just smack down some rice. Absolute cheat code if you're broke out here in Thailand. Yo, guys, we didn't get the close, but what we are about to have is some eggs cooked by Mr. Evo here. We're scrambling them today, sir?
Just some of them, like 2 or 3.
2 or 3.
More like 25.
25? Yeah. Not bad. We're gonna bounce back from not closing a deal. We're gonna maximize
Check this out. Check this out. Woohoo! Professional.
Legendary.
So many eggs, I'm going to start with
Look at the view, guys. To end this video, I have like 2% battery left for this camera, but you guys can see.
Just try different types of shit.
But guys, it's been an absolute banger, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.